welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara from Curl Vitality, and today we are going to be talking about a product inside of the November 2022 Curls Monthly mailer, which is the Curl Keeper Rapid Hair Repair Treatment. If you are a Curls Monthly subscriber, a warm welcome to you. And if you are not a Curls Monthly subscriber, Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription service where each month I send you 5+ of my favorite curl products directly to your door in little mini sizes so you can try them out at home before you waste money on buying the full product and not knowing if it works for you. The point of Curls Monthly is to gradually find your perfect curl routine. And like I said, in the November 2022 mailer, we have the Curl Keeper Rapid Hair Repair, which is a brand new, I'm talking not even a month old, hair treatment. You may have heard me reference this as the K18 dupe, half the price of K18. This does retail for $34, where K18, which is a very comparable product, retails I think for $75. This is also specifically formulated for curls as it's by the brand Curl Keeper. Curl Keeper is such a trusted brand for curls, so it's really exciting that they're in this month's box. Basically, this is a treatment that you do in the shower. I'll talk about how to use it in a few minutes, but it's proven to restore damaged and color treated hair back to health. And literally these types of treatments, which are basically called usually like molecular treatments, literally reverse damage in your hair. I always use these types of products when I color my hair, and I am going to talk to you a little bit at the end of this video how I color my hair safely. I love this formulation because it's so lightweight, so it's great for finer hair types that really tend to need this type of thing. It also helps add volume, restore your pH balance, and like I said, it literally turns back the clock on damage. What does that do for curls? Usually it makes your hair curlier. This treatment is going to be best for definitely color treated or just damaged hair in general, but really all hair types, because even if you just touch your hair, you're technically damaging your hair. Brushing your hair damages your hair. Anything that you do to your hair follicles damages your hair. It's great for fine to coarse hair. Coarse hair would just use a little bit more. And really, nobody should watch out for this product. I would just say to not use more than directed, which I'm pretty sure that they only say to use this up to once a week. So just don't use it more than that and you will be totally fine. I would also say to probably not sleep with this overnight, but don't sleep with any treatment overnight unless it's an overnight treatment. Let's talk about how to use this. Like I said, you always want to listen to the label. So the label says distribute the rapid hair retreatment from ends to roots, allow to sit for 10 minutes or longer. I always laugh when they say 10 minutes or longer, what does that really mean? So I would say I would say do 10 minutes minimally, obviously. If maybe you're in a rush, you just don't have that much time. I would say this is the type of treatment that you actually could leave in your hair for 3 hours. Past, I would say 30 minutes, it's gonna probably not continue to work as much, but the 3 hours thing is just if you have to take your kids to school or whatever, something like that where you have to you don't have time to hop back in the shower right away. But I would say up to 3 hours is pretty good for this product. Depending on your hair density, meaning how many hairs on your hair, how many hairs on your head, going to take a certain amount of product. For this, I'll take about 1.25 size for my head of hair. If you have a lot longer or thicker hair, you're gonna want more. Shorter, finer hair will take a little bit less, but you're just going to rake that product in. And this is going to be after you cleanse your hair. And actually this product is really specifically great after you clarify, because when you clarify, your hair follicles are specifically clean. So you can take your Eden Clarifying Shampoo that's also in this month's mailer, clarify your hair, and then use this product. This product is going to go on freshly washed hair. You're just going to rake that through, starting at your ends and working your way up to your mids and roots. You don't really want this to be slathered on your scalp really, but just work it up just to your root line. Then you're going to take either a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush, and you are going to just very gently brush this product through to detangle your hair with it in it. Once the product is in your hair, that's when the timer starts, not after you brush it, just as an FYI. Then you can either just leave your hair down, do the rest of your shower, shave your legs, or you can put it in a bonnet or just kind of get it out of your face in some way, shape, or form, just so it's there. And like I said, keep it on for at least 10 minutes and more if you have the time. Then you're just going to rinse thoroughly. This is the type of thing you definitely don't want to keep in your hair. Just rinse as normal and style as normal. I noticed results from using this on wash 1, but all of these types of treatments, they're definitely like the more you do it, the merrier. But this is gonna be such a great treatment for somebody who really has damaged hair and is like looking for kind of quick results to their curl routine. It kind of will like jumpstart your curl journey. Ingredients wise, we have soy lectin as the second ingredient after water, which is a protein. So protein is the second ingredient, aka this is going to repair you. Next, we have sodium chloride, which is salt. Salt is a lot of times put into products to thicken it. Then we have jojoba oil, which really moisturizes the inner layers of your follicles. Glycerin, which is a great moisturizer. Panthenol adds shine. Hydrogenated polydeucine, that's a really great moisturizer. Guava extract is fantastic for hair growth. We have slippery elm extract, which is one of my favorite things ever. Super rich in calcium, which is one of the hero ingredients in this product. Calcium makes our bones stronger, but it also makes our hair stronger. Aloe vera, which is a really great moisturizer. Sunflower extract, which is high in vitamin E. Silk amino acids, which are a protein. And trehalose, which I'm sure I'm pronouncing wrong, is really great to protect your hair from drying out, especially when you put it through a lot of heat or a lot of color processing. So speaking of color processing, I'm actually getting my hair colored on Friday, and I wanted to just kind of talk you through how I'm going to do about that and how I'm going to ensure that my hair is not only the same when I come out of this color process, but actually healthier. So the way that I'm going to prep for my color process is the night before I am actually going to shower, and I'm just going to shampoo and condition as normal. I'm not going to do any crazy type of deep treatment or anything like that. The reason why I want to shampoo is I just want to make sure that any type of products that are currently on my hair are not going to interfere with the dye formulation. Then after my shower, I'm just going to spray in a little bit of leave-in conditioner to detangle my hair and put it in a low braid. The reason why I want to do this and not style it to be curly is number 1, to save time, but number 2, when I get to the hair salon, I don't want to have to have them like be brushing through knots in order to put the dye into my hair. As you know, if you've ever gotten your hair highlighted or colored, like they really need to get in there. So I choose to do that at home so the hairstylist doesn't have to do that to prevent breakage and also save time. Always at the hairstylist, I ask them to put a bond builder in my hair dye. A bond builder is something like K18 or Olaplex that only salons can buy, and they basically mix that with your hair dye and it adds a layer of protection as you dye your hair. I leave the salon with wet hair. I do not let them blow out my hair because my hair is already at a super fragile state when I dye it. So I don't want to damage it further that day and stress it out by also heat styling it. So I just leave with my hair wet with like a little bit of leave-in conditioner in it. Then a few days later, maybe the next day, I will actually conduct a real wash day. And that's when I will use something like the Curl Keeper Rapid Hair Repair. Usually I will just use a regular shampoo and then I'll follow up with the Rapid Hair Repair. And then I'll use protein containing products for my styling products. I'll usually use something like this for 2 to 3 washes afterwards. So the next 2 to 3 times I wash my hair after I dye it, I will use a molecular repair treatment to literally reverse and like basically it makes my hair better than it ever was even before I dyed it. So that's my signature process. I hope that that helps you. As always, if this video helped you at all, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have not done so already, subscribe to Curls Monthly. It is the best subscription on this planet. I will link it below, and I'll see you next time.